Thanks for joining us, everybody. Today we're going to go through a bunch of videos that we've posted up on TikTok. I kind of got a project here that I do on the side, and yeah, let's just get on into it. So with these videos, I went out to different construction sites, mainly this one, and I hung out with a framer who, he agreed to have me, hang out and kind of follow along, and he shared some tips and tricks on what he does at his job. So I don't know, it really turned out great. Lots of good information. But I don't know. There's just a couple times where you get into the usual argument or whatever from the hired help. He's got some pretty shitty people working for him actually. So, but yeah, check this one out here. This is the first one. Kind of get into it a bit with about Neil. So, all right, man, let's get this started. Neil said he's got everything ready for us. Let's go. Go ahead. Share some of that wisdom you got there.
Your goal as a nailer is to never let your cutter stop cutting.
Yeah, keep Neil busy. Your cutter there, yeah. I agree.
Hey, Neil! Neil! This one's way different.
Fuck. He always does that.
You didn't use your sample again, did you? This is way different than the last one.
I think you did. Hey, Neil. You knew we were doing this fucking video today. Oh, shut the fuck up.
17 3/8, right?
He's like, yeah, I'm prepared. Ready to do this video. Yeah, I want to be on YouTube.
Go a little
yeah,
steeper then.
Come on, man. Fucking Neil. I think you need a new cutter.
Yeah, that's not good. It's the wrong pitch.
Yeah, I figured. That's fucking Neil for you. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, he's got some shitty people working for him. And so okay, here, the next one. So for this next one, I decided to, try out another construction site. So we met up with another carpenter, and we shot actually 2 videos with this guy. But in this video, you'll see that, he just doesn't really make time for the video, and he ends up helping his buddy, and it just turns out like shit. So here we go. Oh man, but this is great. Like being on another construction site, this is really good. It'll make for a good video on YouTube. Oh, what?
Before I use that router, should that wall be nailed off? Or
This
is
is
it...
fucking bad.
If it's real loose, the plywood, you want me to put a couple nails in it and tighten it up?
Yeah, if you want. I mean, I don't want to take away from what you're doing, but...
Oh yeah, no, I just...
It's kind of bullshit. He knew that we were making this video
Let's
today.
do a little quality control, no big deal.
Let's go fucking help him,
What's
I guess.
going on here? Is she flapping on you? Yeah.
You fucking needed us over here for this? Just fucking kick it out of the way and get to work.
I'll put one up high for you,
I think this is a bit unnecessary, man.
And just remember,
Should be
go
able to do this
real
himself.
slow without router.
Why is he fucking around with this router anyway?
I always go too fast and burn out the bearing.
Okay, that's enough. Let's get back to the video.
All right, yeah, you come across any other spots, like this window here, I'll probably hop up there and...
Oh, God.
I think that's
I
a
was helping
window.
him all fucking day. Really into it. Yeah, so as you could see there, I fucking had it by the end of that one. And so we did another video. This is what's coming up next. And it didn't go any better. Like, we started out interrupted, and there wasn't really any information to share either. Like, it was just another mess. All right, camera's rolling it.
That one we just
some-
used, throw away, please.
Oh, he's gonna throw it away. All right, anyways, welcome to another video.
Short point.
Short point, you say? What the fuck's that? What's that mean, man? Okay, it's on again. Sorry about that. We had to make a cut in the video.
See how that worked
Okay,
out.
weren't you gonna explain short point?
Oh, Black Betty.
Or you wanna sing? Okay. Black Betty, yeah, that's a good
Blade
song.
off of that thing.
Blade with, yeah. That should do it, I guess. Whoa, fuck. Actually, that looked like a bit too much. That's more like 2 blade widths. Well, let's see, I guess. Well, I wouldn't say it fits like a fucking glove there. It's a little bit loose. Nah, fuck it, nobody's around anyways. Right on, man. Thanks for the demo. Yeah, so it was at that point I'm like, fuck it with this guy. Let's go back to that other construction site, and that's where I kind of just continued from there. I just stayed there, made the videos, because that guy's fucking pissing me off. So the next video you'll see here is we're back at the other construction site, and I made a series of videos on this one build, so you kind of get to see how the work progresses and and you get to learn about how to deal with difficult fucking people. Okay, I just press record. Okay. Alright, let's do another one of these videos.
You know, if we took the Mason line out of the bin?
Good question. I haven't fucking seen it all day. Maybe Clint's seen it.
What's that?
No, man, use the Mason line, not the fucking.
We don't need it
line.
right away, but just
tell them to go get the fucking Mason
maybe we
line.
might.
Go find it.
Yeah, bring
Yeah, that sounds great.
yeah,
Get them to get 20 and 7/8.
We're gonna need 20 and 7/8.
Same as those ones down there.
Like those blocks. Yeah. And then let's get all that set up.
Well, yeah, let's just get this done. Fucked around all day.
Yeah.
Fuck, man, why is he so unsure of himself? What, 20 and 7/8 beveled? No, we want a fucking square like everything else here. Like, Jesus, man. Doesn't understand what you're talking about. He loses the fucking Mason line. You know, man? Hey? Fucking busy here today. So, yeah, I guess I'm a bit impatient. Well, just wasn't in a good fucking mood that day. And, you know, pretty much any day that I do this, I don't know what it is, but. So after I did that one, you know, I thought, well, fuck, I gotta try to be a little bit more positive here. So this next video, I start off a little bit, you know, in a better mood. All right, here we go with another video. Fuck, man, I'm getting excited. We're gonna have this built done.
The Gers.
Oh, fuck. Just got another question for you, man.
What's up?
3 flies further ahead, eh? Is that where your mark is?
I was gonna say, check out this board right here. Look at that. Doesn't look right.
I don't know what happened there.
Well, I think Tony fucked up on the measurement.
Should have been 70.5.
70.5. That's like fucking 75.5. Fuck, man, with Tony, you gotta watch.
That side's right.
Yeah,
Okay.
that side's all right. Fuck symmetry for this build.
No.
What the fuck is he doing? We're not doing angles, man.
Not angles.
Straight fucking blocks.
Sorry?
Straight blocks, 20 and 7/8.
Hustle, man. We don't have time. Gotta get this up. The fucking sun's going down.
We're doing straight blocks now.
Fuck at this pace, man. We're never gonna have this done. Owner wants to be moved in a month. This fucking guy keeps slowing us down. I swear to God.
One more?
This build has been nothing but a fucking pain. So there I tried to be in a good mood, but just didn't work out. That guy was just really pissing me off. Like, all day. Like, yeah, it just sucks. Like, you're trying to put together a good video for, you know, TikTok or YouTube, and then somebody just fucks it up. Like in this one here. Okay, thanks for joining us on day 3 here of this custom home build. Still got a lot to do, but we're fucking getting somewhere anyways.
Ow.
Oh, fuck, what happened to him now? He hurt himself yesterday, too.
You okay?
Yeah.
How the fuck did he even do that? Jesus Christ.
Hey, you're as small as corner jack. What's the length from the tail to the end of the ceiling?
He's not going to be able to figure that out. Fuck, do we got a long way to go. That fucking room isn't even done yet.
Plus, what's the overhang? Plus the overhang.
It's fucking basic math. Ceiling plus
Go to
overhang.
the ceiling plus the overhang.
Overall is 38.
Say 38? That doesn't sound right. Okay, I guess we're going with 38 then. I don't know, man. It's just fucking hard for me to trust that guy down there. Let's get the coil next.
I think you need our coil soon.
Yeah, as you can see by the end of the video, I'm like, fuck, let's just get this shit done. So yeah. So in this next video, this is day 4. It was a little bit better that day, and I just decided we should have a little bit of fun with Tony. So this is how this one went. All right, we're close to done here. Just finishing up. Finally got the rafters. I want to pain in the ass that was. Hey man, it's the last day on our job. Let's fuck with Tony. Get him to cut you a 2x4.
You also cut me a 2x4.
12-foot length.
12 feet.
2x6.
2x6 is fine.
I know it's kind of not right to be fucking with Tony today, but it's our last day.
Can I give you the level?
He's got the level there.
Yeah. Just nail it to the 2x6 wall, okay? Just yeah, look out the window.
Tony!
Is this nice
outside.
and flush here?
In the middle?
Or no, where my thing is?
Yeah, man. What can you see?
Pull back into you in the middle. A quarter inch. You worried about a quarter inch?
Are we worried about a quarter inch? Of course we are. Fuck, man. This one's supposed to be
Okay, I'm
perfect.
just gonna measure
Jesus
it.
Christ,
Just get the
fucking
backup
quality
ready?
Control.
Yep.
I can't believe he fucking asked
you got
that.
it? Okay.
I really can't.
And then you wanted 12
Fuck, all day I was trying to hold it in. Fuck me. Yeah, so that one started out alright, but, and you know, it wasn't right to be fucking with Tony, but Jesus, he just fucking drives me nuts. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for this compilation. I'm gonna be making a couple more of these, but if you want to check out the videos, they're on TikTok and YouTube, YouTube Shorts. So yeah, thanks for watching.